Magnet, let me say this to you. People who want monstrous kill them. People is not all right. Let me tell you a little bit of my story. Because you see, everybody have a different story. Yep, some people really want monstrous to kill them, but it never kill me. Here, I met this guy. We got in a relationship real quick. I got pregnant for this man. When me tell man say me pregnant, about 2 weeks after man tell me say I'm married. Ono just say running pan something not true.
Love see you.
Eh? Ono just say running pan the show. But anyways, what I am listening to the program. I am still awaiting the lady to come back with her story. I really want to hear. But we need to, as a people, we need to spread awareness to depression and what she's doing. A lot of people don't have the balls to do to tell them story, even though our story not done it and may we hear the end of our story. But a lot of us have stories and it's good to share what is going on in our lives. Because it's rough on a lot of people, you understand? And this whole COVID thing, it's happening and it's affecting a lot of families. So sometimes when you see we drive off a bridge and something, and we do also, we tie up ourselves, it's not easy. And even, I mean, a lot of us can say, yeah, you're wicked for kill yourself and you're this and that. People don't understand what people go through on a day-to-day basis, you understand? When landlord knock off your door, and you can't work from when you can't even keep on like a party for pay your bills them. And landlord and knock off your door. You don't have no food in your fridge for feed them. You have little rice and you don't have no salt for make it flour them. You have rice, you have butter, you don't even have. What are you supposed to do?
Yeah.
Like this is a real situation that we're having, and it's not just Jamaica, it's a worldwide cry. You understand? So when us as a people we're going through stuff, it's always good to talk to somebody. And you know, you have people who will listen. Some people just want to listen and fast in your business. But it's always good to just talk about it.
You see the lady on front bridge the other day before yesterday or yesterday. You see, one time them so she drive across on that bridge there before she finally drive off and kill herself.
Exactly. So you see, people have add to stories still, you know, but people are going through a lot of stuff. People have got through enough something. You understand? And that was not an easy decision for that woman. If them say what them say and she drive, it's like she still a rethink her decision. But she knows that if she drive from that spot and she go somewhere, where she a go?
You know, say that me feel like say a lot of people who commit suicide, they never really want to commit suicide, but you know, then just feel like say they not have no other choice. So
exactly.
I think that's why she did drive back and forth, because me not really think that she didn't want to actually dead.
Exactly. And you see, okay, for me and for a lot of people in general, I know what depression feel like. I know what man stress feel like. Man stress will kill you. You see me single. That's why me single. I'm afraid. No, big man thing. That's why me will stay right with me. Man stress will kill you. Man stress make my pressure go up and drop back down.
High pressure and low pressure.
Yeah? Me say the pressure go up, the pressure come down. Me say the pressure just run up and down, so.
I say you love that body then.
Boy, I tell you, but they love it, man. But and for sure, it's all a mind. It's all in here. It's all your mind. When you wake up and looking at the mirror and say, "I am beautiful," you're looking at the mirror and you love yourself. That it's just self-love.
Yeah, sometimes it's more than that. Because to be honest, me talk about depression on my YouTube channel, Naked with Nadia, and basically my depression that I have and I talk about is basically mostly winter depression, because I live in France and during the winter time, me get really, really bad depression. And it affect me really, really bad to the point where it's crippling. You don't want to do anything. You don't want to talk to nobody. But even though you're on here now and you say sometimes people need somebody to talk to, sometimes some people in depression, they don't really want to talk to somebody because just the mere voice of a person really annoy you.
Well, that is true, but that when it catch very far.
Yeah, man, winter depression cripple me, man. Wicked, wicked. Even sometimes, even 100% right now, I'm not really and truly out of it totally. Like
What
me
we are
trying
gonna
to say,
do? Father Epic, you see that beard there where that woman they shove off of the arm, shove off of the wall what they are, we're gonna send it over France, make sure hug him up. Come here, tell you, you shall be warm and cuddly. You see the woman push off the beard.
Brave girl.
Push it.
What kind of heart she have? To just come push up here. One more piece of the heart.
Me say, the daughter
I
push
guess
off
she
the
need
beard,
to
man.
think, she not think to save her animal, them, she need to think about that.
Me not save no
I
animal, I
reflect,
save
reflect.
myself.
Yeah.
Me I save myself. My gone.
See,
Where's the lady?
Lady Magnet, I removed
Some
that.
people just mad in relationship.
Oh, yeah, so that's who want man stress to kill.
Lady Magnet, let me say this to you. People who want man stress kill them. People is not all right. Let me tell you a little bit of my story. Because you see, everybody have a different story. Yep, some people really want man stress to kill them, but it never kill me. Here, I met this guy. We got in a relationship real quick. I got pregnant for this man. When me tell man say me pregnant about 2 weeks after man tell me say I'm married. You hear what me say? Me go through labor, Lady Magnet. Me go through labor with my daughter. I had a stroke with my daughter. I strongly believe I was dead for like 20 minutes and ain't nobody look at me. When me wake up back out of my dead state when me done travel, I'm now ask Christ. I'm start beat off the bell for the nurse come. Nurse, when one man out a door down Connecticut, tell the nurse to go on in there because she beat off the bell. The nurse said she's okay. Just when she come in my room, she have to pump all sort of sitting for drop back down my pressure. You hear, Miss Magnet? So it's not that. 2 years after that, is a woman call my phone and tell me, said me and they with her husband and she live with him. You understand? And she make me know say her husband now go take care of my daughter. You hear? 6 months me not hear from man. My blood pressure go up, it go down, lady. So when people say certain things, you don't know the extent of people's situation. These men out here don't have no respect for people's privacy. Them for go. But me decide say no depression. Me in my house with my daughter lock up on my pressure. Me can't even get up. Me have to call my cousin with a nurse and tell my cousin say my blood pressure low. She say you have coffee in the house. Yes. She said put on some coffee. I don't remember nothing from the day. She stay up on the phone from morning to 11 o'clock in the night to make sure I'm all right. Me have neighbor, me not tell none of them where I go on in my house. Depression, your head. So a man stress that, you know, voices in your head, voices all over your body. I tell you to kill your pitney, stab up yourself, kill yourself, because you know, sir. Hey, someone, listen, it is so easy to come on the internet and type stuff and say stuff to people that you don't know. People going through real shit out here. You hear? But me decide say me stronger than that. Me I come from one room with my granny, with barrel or with dresser, one little bed. My great grandmother took me when she was 75. Me and my two brothers them. You think so me and my man gonna stress me and kill me? Your favorite idiot. Some people want man stress to kill them, but it now gonna kill me. And up to date, this woman they on my Instagram. I block her off on my WhatsApp. She they on my Instagram right now. I watch out my page. You understand? I tell me, say me ugly. Her husband never think me ugly when him bite up my cookie dough and him love the flavor. Her husband never think me ugly. But she can stay mad. Make she go and watch out my profile, because I now block her Father Epic.
Our flavor cookie.
Caramel. It's a lot of different flavors, but on a rum and raisin.
Oh, my glad.
On a rum and raisin.
A cookie that
And a rum and raisin. People out here go through some real thing in a life, man.
So, the people man still not exist.
Hmm?
Just tell people a man tell her things.
No, she's just intimidated by me. But me not wrong her.
You look good.
Oh,
You look good.
Me not wrong her. I'm would have intimidated too, but me not follow up no girl.
Oh,
oh. So,
Me block her off on my Instagram and she dep on me block her off of WhatsApp 1 year now and she still a follow up me. She don't know how she find me on social media, but the data find me. She no must say why me.
funny.
But she say why me pony.
Like
She love the ramping too, you know.
Come.
wow, sometimes you see some people in the streets and you don't know their story, better you shut up your mouth. And people
No,
on social media these days can be so mean with their words.
Expect
They don't
that
think
one though.
what they say things.
I
I
like man.
Never
yeah,
expect that though.
I really think though you can't see people in the streets and just assume things for people, you
No,
know?
you can't do that. But you see, it has to do with growth. You said that's something that when name growth and maturity, a lot of people don't have it. They're not ready for it yet.
Yeah, that's true.
You get me?
And some people
So,
just insensitive overall. They're just very insensitive.
true, true. But how? But we need to think before we talk. Still,
Yeah, I
yeah, we
really.
need to think before we talk. But I just saw the things that still we need to pray for each other and love each other. But then again, all who believe in the Bible never tell us that better days are coming. Hear about wars and rumors of wars.
How old is your daughter now?
Hmm?
How old is your daughter now?
My daughter, she's gonna be 3. She's gonna be 3. Me say the Christmas I jump and boom click on body. You see, boy, me I tell you.
What?
Peter, just
Say
because you're
I
married.
boom click on body that Christmas. Then in September she born. Trouble.
So, you know, people have good man that Christmas time.
Eh?
I saw girl good.
Why me I tell you?
No, we take
One
no man
shot.
that Christmas time, you know. To
One
have
shot.
married man in their possession that Christmas time. It take nothing, you know.
That mean wife name they do not know yard then.
One shot and it was a sure shot.
Go on the road.
But
And
we
then
need
one man
to.
shot him funny.
What did you say?
No, me I tell me, say, me and the wife still have to suck my yard, but that you want a boom flick, they had a boom flick funny. A boom flick funny in the one. Wife never a boom flick.
I fool that man. I clone them there. I'm not even what she want because she okay, so you have some people in life as a people we need to have little reasonability and we need to be educated because a whole heap of we not educated in these streets. Let me show you the type of person she is through things that she said to me. This woman I got tell me say me push out 2 pitness under me big. How we did but how? She not have no sense. She ask her husband.
Does she don't have any kids?
She got twins. She got 2 boys. C-section. So is a C-section gets vaginal birth? I've
No,
never.
but I mean C-section worse than vaginal birth because a C-section me get and me did wish me did give birth vaginally because
No, but that's the thing. That's to show you the mentality of people. And if somebody ever come to you with them the argument, you know, say, I know somebody if you even have an argument with.
No, I don't say because the reasonability of it. If you approach like that as a woman, if man telling you something that you can't say I'm a man. But if your woman says something like that, no, so it done as a person. Girl,
If done so as a person. So that's why I'm like, listen, block, delete. So she up on my Instagram now. She not stop watch out all my status. Me say girl fool. Poor thing. But I saw things said still. But we need not to judge each other and try to listen to each other's story. Me happy like whoa. Me glad that she take back her husband. Me glad that she take back her husband because me's a girl, me's a very productive girl and I am a business minded person. And if me not have a man a come in my life, a business minded, it not go work. And if not have a business mind, so she can't keep her husband. She can't keep her husband. Me have my nice, clean daughter, and hungry can't kill her. Yeah, chrome girl. She am mad.
Bless up yourself, fearless.
Hmm?
You know, boom, pick money in Christmas and ever says, do.
No, sir, them tell me I whistle like a peanut cat, man. Girl, I swing and I whistle. Mm-hmm.
I cannot bother.
I'm telling you.
Yes, then picture money.
That was the best Christmas, I can tell you that much. But then everything gets sour. You see, I that mess up all heap with mine. When you have a good thing, you feel like so everything good and then it just go downhill. So
And the whistle for me. Rockstone, you know, see, I kill the people and panel. Even me over here dead, madden.
which I'm gonna love.
So good. I'm saying she has space to it too.
Both, you know.
Brownie, they got second. So what do you want, Brownie? Because we don't talk to you.
Don't add me back, me don't talk.
Okay, so what do you want? Because we don't
Okay,
talk to you.
later.